Hi everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing my holiday growth collaborative haul. So if you guys would like to see what I got, let's get right on into it. Guys, so the first thing I want to show you guys that I got is Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner in the scent peppermint. I'm so excited to use this, you guys, because I have not used this at all. This will be my first time using this and smelling this. So let me smell it real quick because you know how I am about the scent mint. Wow, it smells so good. It smells like a peppermint, and it's not strong. Like, I don't like strong mint scents, but oh my gosh, this smells really good. Last year I had got another one. I forgot what that one's called though. I will leave it somewhere on the screen, but I had got that one. But this year I wanted to try peppermint because I heard great things about it last year. So I was like, you know what, next year I get it, and I did, and I'm happy that I did because it smells really, really good. I also got the dish soap. It looks like this. Yes, let me see if, because you know sometimes it doesn't smell the same, the dish soap and the you know, clean multi-surface cleaner. Wow, it smells so good. It smells like peppermint as well. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to use this. Yes, and I also got the hand soap. It looks like this. Oh yes, let me smell the hand soap as well. Wow, yes, it's a little bit stronger than the dish soap and the multi-surface, but it still smells good. It's not like an overwhelming smell. It smells really good and subtle. I really like that. So yes, you guys, I'm so excited for that. And then the next thing I got is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner in compassion flower. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so freaking good. This smells really, really good, you guys. Like, I'm not even kidding how good this smells. I had ran out and I had to get it. I'm not going to use this anytime this month because I'm going to be using my peppermint, but I had to get it for next year because I want to have everything that I need to have to take down all my Christmas stuff. I have everything I need. Yes, you guys, I got this again. It looks like this. I'll show you. It smells so good. They need to make a perfume and a floor cleaner out of this scent because oh my gosh, it smells really good. If you guys have not tried this yet, I highly recommend it because it smells so good. I had to get another one, and I got it in the dish soap. It looks like this. It smells exactly the same. I want to smell it again because so good. Next thing I got is the Method Daily shower cleaner. This I have not used at all, and I'm excited to use this. The bathroom cleaner that I got, this is the shower cleaner, but the bathroom cleaner that I got, it doesn't spray good. Like, the nozzle is supposed to, you know how it sprays straight? The nozzle sprays sideways, and I really don't like that. So like, you know what, I want to try something different, and I got this. This is in the scent Lane Lane. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. It looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. Let me smell this because I don't know. Hope it smells good. Oh wow, this smells like baby oil. Like, for real, I'm not even playing with this. It smells like baby oil. Wow, okay. And another reason why I got this, you guys, because it says it cleans without having to rinse, and I'm like, wow, that's really good. I really would like prefer that, especially in my shower. We don't have the nozzle like I do in the kids' bathroom, which I probably might purchase in the future, but that'll be good. But I don't know because I'm kind of like iffy about that. I hope it don't leave any residue or anything. Like I said, this will be my first time using this, but I will let you guys know if it doesn't, and you know, if it's true to its word. So I'm excited about this. And you guys, that is all I got for this month. I am so excited, you guys. My next video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be using, not everything, but my peppermint scents, you guys. I'm so excited for that. And if you want a 5-piece free gift set, I will leave the referral code down below. All you have to do is just make a purchase, and you will get a 5 free-piece gift set. Just that simple, and it's like, it's so worth it. Growth Collaborative is just amazing. So that will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas. Bye, you guys.